Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm so happy to be back filming again. It has been quite some time since I've uploaded to my channel. I think it's been like a couple months, and I apologize for my absence. I've just had so much going on, but today I'm so happy to get back to filming. I plan on getting back to uploading for you guys regularly, but today I just wanted to get back into it and do like a bold, vibrant makeup tutorial for you guys. So this is the look that I came up with here. I honestly had no idea what I wanted to do when I first started filming. I knew I wanted to play with like yellow. I wasn't sure, maybe orange or peach. So I was like, let's just sit down and see how this goes. And I kind of came up with like this gorgeous sunset eye kind of theme. And I just love the way that it turns out. I decided to go with a bold lip as well. And I love the way that it paired with the eye. You can always tone it down if you wanted to switch out the lip color and do more of like a nude color. I think it would look beautiful with like a peachy nude or maybe like a glossy nude. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out so you can catch my next video and we can stay connected. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up because that always helps out. Otherwise, if you guys want to see how I get this vibrant sunset themed makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I think I want to do something a little bit more colorful. I haven't played with color in a while, so I'm going to go in first with this Makeup Geek shadow. This is in the shade Chickadee. It's just like a nice, kind of like mustard yellow shade. And I'm taking this on a Mikasa E330 brush. I know I've been super MIA. I have just been so busy. I just had a lot going on this year. It's crazy because when I first like put up a video at the beginning of the year, I think I said on there, you know, I really wanted to get back into YouTube and kind of get back into the swing of things and really start posting regularly, and that was genuinely my goal. And of course things don't ever go as planned. So I work as a physician assistant, and I was recently changing jobs, so I just was super stressed out in my last job. And I finished that job like in February, and then my new job I wasn't supposed to start until like the beginning of April. I intentionally wanted to take like a month off. So I took off the month of March, which was so refreshing, so amazing. Like we took a couple vacations. We actually did a family vacation to Jamaica, and my family like never travels, so that was like very special. And it was fun. A couple friends went as well. We had an amazing time. We were there I think for like 10 days. So we had so much fun, just soaked up the sun, relaxed. And then I just spent a lot of time with my husband. He ended up like taking off a lot of time with me as well. And then the end of, what was it? The end of March, we went to Disneyland. We took my nieces to Disneyland, which was so fun. I had never been to Disneyland and I had a blast. Like my husband and I had, I think, more fun than my nieces, which was so funny. But we had a great time. And I kind of just like detached myself a little bit from social media. I just like wanted to enjoy time with my husband and my family and friends. And it was kind of nice and refreshing, but at the same time, like I totally missed playing with makeup. I missed being here on YouTube. So I'm kind of getting settled back into my new job now. I've been there for about a month, and during my training I was working like Monday through Friday, which I'm totally not used to. I usually do like shift work. So I'm starting my schedule now, so I have a couple days off. I figured why not start filming and get back into the swing of things. So my real schedule will start now to where I have, you know, more days off during the week and I can get back into filming. So I'm going to go in with this shade here called Morocco from Makeup Geek. It's just like a beautiful like muted orange shade. So I'm going in with my Mikasa E320 blending brush, and I'm going to take that Morocco shade and I'm just going to start focusing this more like into the crease area. I really didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do today. I just knew I wanted to do something a little bit colorful, but nothing like super intense, something I guess a little bit more wearable. So we'll see where this takes us. Can we talk about how cute this cup is? Oh my gosh. So I got this in Disneyland. That's the only thing that I bought there for like a souvenir. I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. I have to have it. So now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape concealer, and I think I'm just going to cut out the center portion so I can do more of like a halo eye. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M562 brush. It's just like a little tiny detailer brush that's nice for the inner corner. And just going back in with that same Morocco shade and just starting to blend out the edges of the concealer. I swear it takes me like an eternity to cut my crease because I have hooded lids, and like, you know, you get those like little wrinkles when you're like put your eye normal and then you're trying to even out both sides. So yeah, but just take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, I try and get it somewhat similar to both eyes. And I love Makeup Geek shadows. They are just like so pigmented and they blend so easy. It's definitely one of my favorite formulas for eyeshadows. And I think I'm gonna take like this bright yellow shade from Makeup Geek. This is, what is this called? Fortune Teller. Oh my gosh, like it's so bright and like gorgeous. This is one of their foiled eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. Whew, that yellow is gorgeous. Now we got that pigment to the center of the lid. I'm gonna go back in with the Morocco, which is the orange shade, and just start to blend those colors together. Okay, and I think I'm going to go in with a deeper shade just to give us a little bit more depth and dimension. I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek's Cocoa Bear. It's like this deep burnt reddish orange shade here. And I'm going to go in with the Makeup Geek Pointed Crease Brush. I'm really just focusing this mostly like on the outer corner. So I'll do the outer and the inner corner. Okay guys, moving on to the face, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Silk Canvas Primer. I am obsessed with this primer. This is what the inside looks like here. As you can see, it's much loved. This has been my go-to primer lately. It's just, oh, I don't know, it makes my makeup last like all day. It doesn't break up like where I get oily, and it even helps to like control my oils. So I don't know, I just love this. It makes like my pores look smooth. And for foundation today, I'm going in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Stromboli. I've been loving this foundation. It just has great coverage. It's like radiant but not super dewy, especially because I do have combination to oily skin. And I don't know, I love the way it makes my face look. I just feel like it's so pretty, especially for like the springtime. I don't like anything too super heavy or like mattifying. And I've been loving this Morphe sponge. Like, it has totally taken the place of my beauty blender. I'll still use my beauty blender just because I kind of have them in rotation. Like when one's dirty, I'll grab the other. But it's just, I've been loving this. I definitely want to pick up another one. That way I just have another one clean already like on deck. You know, sometimes you're in a hurry and you don't want to go wash your beauty blender, so you just go grab. For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, and I'm in the shade 2W. I've been enjoying this concealer here. It's just like, it has great coverage, and it's like so much more moisturizing than like my Tarte Shape Tape or my Urban Decay, like the All Nighter. I've been liking that one too, but that one can be a little drying. So this one's been nice for a change up. I haven't been using it for too long, maybe like a couple weeks, but so far I've been enjoying it. And this is such a good shade for me as well. Just been really enjoying it. And I always like to re-dampen my beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever the heck this is called, my Morphe sponge. And I'm just gonna go in and blend that out. So I'm gonna go in and set that with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. This has been my go-to translucent setting powder. I just love it. I feel like it really helps to lock in the concealer and like prevent any creasing throughout the day. But I'll be honest, I kind of wish that it was a little bit more brightening. It does have like a peachy undertone, and sometimes I feel like it can darken like the color of your concealer just a little bit. But that hasn't been enough to stop me from using it, because I feel like overall it just sets my concealer the best and helps to prevent any creasing versus other translucent powders I've tried. I know the Too Faced, I think it's like the ethereal powder, translucent powder, is supposed to be really good. I haven't tried that one. I'm curious because I don't think that one has like the peachy like undertone, so maybe that one might be a little bit better. I'm curious to try that one out. And before I set my face, I'm gonna go in with the Iconic London Illuminator drops in the original shade. I love these drops, like I just cannot stop using them. This is definitely my favorite liquid illuminator. Just like it's so beautiful. It looks like beautiful under any highlight or on its own. Like I definitely use this year round, but I feel like especially for the spring and summertime, like it's just gorgeous. And to set the face, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Medium. I've been loving this powder to set my face. It's just very lightweight. It doesn't make you like super matte or look like make your foundation look cakey. It just like lightly sets the makeup, and I feel like it just looks really pretty. Helps to lock everything in place. And this is a Morphe G4 brush that I've been loving to set my face. I just press that into the skin, really focusing this mostly like on my T-zone area, because that's where I tend to get really oily. And for bronzer today, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Bronzer in the shade 03. This is one of my all-time favorite bronzers. I just feel like it's so beautiful. It almost has like a sheen to it. Alright guys, so let's go in and finish the eyes. So I'm going to go back in with that mustard shade called Chickadee, and I'm going to dust this onto my lower lash line. And this is a Tarte brush. This came, I'm not even sure what this came with. This came like with a palette or something, or like a gift set. This is kind of just like a dome shaped brush that I like to use for my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with Morocco, that orange shade. Then I'm going to go back in with Cocoa Bear, which is like that rich burnt orange reddish shade. So I'm going to take this on a Sigma E15 flat definer brush and really press that close to the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Fake Awake Nude liner. And for my tear duct highlight, I'm going to go in with this shade called Magic Act. This is also from Makeup Geek. This is one of their foiled eyeshadows. It's just more like a light gold shade. It's just very pretty. And for lashes today, I'm going in with the Flutter Lashes and Makeup Shayla collaboration. These are the Eye Slay lashes. They are like one of my absolute favorites. They are just like super wispy and not too dramatic, to where you can still see like through the lashes and see your shadows. I already have them on. And for mascara, I'm going in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. This has been my go-to mascara. I think I'm going to do a review on this because I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it gives my lashes so much length. So I'm just going to blend in my natural lashes to my falsies. So just really keeping this at the base of the lash. And for highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Mean Money Hustler Baby. It's so stunning. So I'm going to go in with Hustler Baby. And I'm taking this on my Morphe M501 brush. So beautiful.
Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me, and every melody is timeless.
And for blush today, I'm going to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin the Neo blush in the shade Sunset. These are so stunning. Let me see if I can show you guys without blinding you. They're just so pretty. This is like a gorgeous like peachy blush in the center, and then it fades out to like this reddish shade, and then of course it's like more of like a bronzy shimmery shade over here. It's just such a beautiful blush. And then I like to go back in with a stippling brush and just really soften up those edges, just so the blush is not so harsh. Especially being that we have so much going on the eyes, I kind of just want to tone it down a little bit. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Just give myself a good mist of this. So for my lip color, I went in with the Dose of Colors and Desi x Katy collab. This is the shade Fuego. I decided to go bold with the lip color.